back there? No? Trying to do my daily driving video. Yep, just a little another daily driving video. Drives great. Oh, hitting some bumps here and there. Temp seemed pretty fair. I've been driving a while. I drove, stopped, picked up my daughter, turned the engine off, turned the engine on, and we're driving again. It's a pretty warm day outside, not one of the hottest days for sure. Weather's starting to cool down a bit. Doesn't have to be loud, don't have to be in boost all the time, don't have to drive crazy, don't have to take off fast, don't have to beat it up. You can get going if you need to. Like this guy can move a little quicker. So you're not even in boost still, and I can pass another vehicle without issue. It doesn't have to drive crazy. So I'm liking that. Drive my family around and whatever I need on a daily basis, and then get it set up for the track and hit the track. I like that dual purpose, multi-purpose vehicle. It's just fun. That's all this is right here. Not gonna really get crazy on the throttle. People just ask me, how is it daily driving, or is it a daily driver? Yes, it is a daily driver. I kind of wanted to, fulfill two different deals. Performance at the track, have some fun. The daily driving, I need that, get back and forth to work, pick up my daughter, pick up groceries, do all that stuff. And I want to be able to have fun at the track if I didn't just mention that. Yeah, you know what, it's fun, daily driving too. You can open it up. Right now it's quiet, you don't hear nothing, no whistling, even when you get into it. You open the cutout, alright, it boosts a whole lot quicker, and it sounds really cool. So, I can make the daily driving fun too, without being in the throttle all the time. Just a little bit, that's all I need. Close it up here. It also prevents me from breaking things, I don't need to prove myself all over the place. I don't need to do a burnout out of every parking lot. I don't need to do a burnout from here across the this intersection right here. Is this guy gonna go or not? Yes, he is. He's a good guy. Alright, let's make sure it closed up. Getting in my neighborhood homeowner association. Daily driving, you don't have to be all up into boost. Doesn't have to be crazy. Temp's still pretty good in my opinion, even after driving for quite a while. I've 7 driving for about an hour or so. Stop and go type traffic, no freeway. Alright, getting around to the house. Got to get the daughter inside all cleaned up. And we're going to hang out for a little bit and have some fun. Doing something, I don't know. Hot damn, hell yeah, you're all the baddest. Get some. It's just a little update, a week and a half later. And again, I will do the video on the problems I had. Sorry, I haven't had a chance to sit down and do that. But hot damn, you really biting it. I'm glad you eating an apple anyway and not just candy. Hot damn, hell yeah, you're all the baddest. Get some until next time. Man, this thing is great. It really is.